If Opera Flow is showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it quickly. We're going to clear the browser data, check for missing Opera patches, and then disable the VPN if it's interfering with Flow. This is a great fix to try when Opera Flow stops syncing, won't load properly, or keeps showing unexpected errors. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. It really helps the channel grow, and it only takes a second. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Opera on your computer. In the top left corner, click the Opera menu, then go into Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Privacy and Security. This is where Opera keeps the options for clearing browser data that can often resolve Flow issues. Inside Privacy and Security, find a section for clearing browsing data. Set the time range to All Time. This is important because we want to remove all the cached files and site data that could be causing the problem, not just the recent ones. Next, make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These two options are the most likely to affect Opera Flow when something gets stuck or corrupted. After that, click Clear Data. Opera may take a few moments depending on how much data is stored in your browser. Once the process finishes, restart Opera completely. Don't just close the tab. Make sure the browser fully closes and opens again so the changes can apply properly. Now, if the issue is still there, the next step is to make sure Opera itself is fully updated. Click the Opera logo in the top left corner again, then go to Update and Recovery. Opera will check for missing patches and updates automatically. If it finds anything missing, allow it to download those patches. This step is important because sometimes Flow errors happen simply because the browser version is outdated or a required component didn't install correctly. When the update process is finished, click Relaunch. This will restart Opera with the latest fixes applied. After relaunching, test Opera Flow again and see if the error is gone. If you're still having trouble, there's one more setting worth checking. Look at the VPN badge next to your desktop address bar and turn it off. Opera's built-in VPN can sometimes interfere with services like Flow, especially if the connection is being routed in a way that causes sync problems or loading errors. Turning it off is a quick way to test whether the VPN is the cause. Once the VPN is disabled, go back and try Opera Flow one more time. In many cases, one of these three steps, clearing the cache, updating Opera, or turning off the VPN, will solve the issue right away, and that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for an Opera Flow error, step by step. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials and browser troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.